Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset Windows 11 without losing any data. But before we start this video, don't forget to hit the like button on this video and the subscribe button, because we are trying to get 1000 subs as fast as possible, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. To factory reset Windows 11 without losing any data, you have to go here on the start and press left click, go on to settings, and here we have to go on the system and search for recovery and on reset this PC. Left click on reset PC, and here we have two options: keep my files if you want to keep all of your files, or remove everything if you want to have your new Windows 11 clean. But in our case we want to keep our files. Press keep my files, wait a bit here, and here we have to go on local reinstall Windows from this device. Left click on that, and now reinstall Windows from this device. Next, recent update, this PC was recently updated. If you continue with reset this PC, you won't able to undo the update. Next, this won't take long, and here as you can see, ready to reset this PC. Reset will change settings back to their defaults, keep personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs. This will take a while and your PC will restart. You just have to press reset and the PC will do the work for itself. I'm not gonna press reset because I don't want to restore my Windows now, but this was the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. We are trying to get 1000 subs as fast as possible. I was Buzz from BuzzTech. Until next time, have a nice day.